brick wall. What is the basic building blocks of this wall? A single brick, of course. Like a brick wall, your body is composed of basic building blocks. And the building blocks of your body are cells. Here, through this chapter, the fundamental units of life describes about cells and their properties. Cell is called the fundamental unit of life. Robert Hooke was discovered cell in 1665. Cells were observed for the first time in a slice of cork. Cell is a Latin word for a little room. This may seem to be a very small and significant incident, but it is very important in the history of science. A cell carries out nutrition, respiration, excretion, transportation and reproduction the way an individual organism does. Unicellular organisms are capable of independent existence, which shows a cell's capability to exist independently. Due to this, a cell is called the fundamental and structural unit of life. All living beings are composed of the basic unit of life. The use of the word cell to describe these units is used till the day in biology. Come on friends, let us find out more about the cells. The structure of cells. Cells come in all shapes and sizes, while most of the cells are spherical in shape. Cells of various other shapes are also found. Most of the cells are microscopic in size, which means it is impossible to see them with naked eyes. Some cells are fairly large. Example, a neuron in human body can be as long as 1 meter. A cell is enclosed in a membranous casing and is filled with a liquid substance which is called the cytoplasm. There are many cell organelles in a typical cell. Some of the main structural organization of a cell are as follows. First one is the cell wall. A cell wall is present only in plant cells. It is made up of cellulose. Its function is to give strength and rigidity to the cell. The cell wall may get deposition of substances like lignin, severin, etc., which make it impermeable. So the second point is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a semi-permeable membrane. It is composed of bilayer of lipid and protein. It provides a container to the cytoplasm. It facilitates passage of various substances in and out of the cell. Third point, nucleus. Nucleus is covered by double membrane called nuclear membrane. The fluid which is inside the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. Nucleus contains chromosomes which are important for the functioning of a cell. Nucleus controls all the functions of the cell. Next point is cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is a fluid contained inside the plasma membrane. It also contains many specialized cell organelles. Each of these organelles performs a specific function for all the cells. Now let's check what is cell organelles. Cell organelles means small components of the cell present in the protoplasm are called cell organelles. Some important examples of cell organelles are explained below. Friends, do you know why they are important? Because they carry out some of very crucial functions in cells. They are, first point is mitochondria. They are found in all eukaryotes but absent in mature mammalian RBC and prokaryotes. These may be sausage-shaped, cylindrical, rod-shaped or spherical and distributed in the cytoplasm. Each mitochondrion is bound by a double membrane. Second point is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a mesh-like structure which is composed of numerous tubes. It extends from the plasma membrane to the nuclear membrane. There are two kinds of endoplasmic reticulum like smooth ER and rough ER. Now move on to the third point, Golgi Complex. Golgi Complex. It was discovered by Camillo Golgi. It is composed of many sac-like structures which are stacked one above another. Now the fourth point is lysosome. Lysosomes are small sac-like structures and they are derived from Golgi complex. Lysosome contain digestive enzymes. The function of this is the enzymes in the lysosome digest foreign particles and thus destroy them. Now move on to the fifth point, plastids. These are somewhat similar to mitochondria. In appearance, plastids are found in plant cells. They are of two types. First one is chromoplast and the second one is leucoplast. Colorful plastids are called chromoplast and the colorless plastids are called leucoplast. Move on to the final point, vacuoles. Vacuoles are storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cells while plant cells have very large vacuoles. The central vacuole of some plant cells may occupy 50% to 90% of the cell volume. Okay dear students, in today's class we have learned about the chapter Fundamental Units of Life. It's a very important chapter. Meet you in next video with another interesting and important chapter for you. Till then, goodbye.